Welcome back to Brick by Brick. Today we're going to be going over whether or not it is worth to invest in these LEGO ideas sets. So LEGO has made quite a few of these. There's a pretty detailed process about what happens in order for a example of a set, a prototype, to be made into an eventual actual LEGO set, like this LEGO Friends set. This is the LEGO Ideas. And so a creator built the set, shared their idea, and then you have to get a certain number of people to support the project. I don't remember the exact number, but that can help prove to LEGO and to fans of LEGO that it is worth producing, just to know that it has enough potential customers in order for LEGO to make a profit off of the set. And this set has done well as a LEGO investment as well. And that is kind of a nice factor for LEGO investors, is they can already tell that there's enough of a loyal following behind this set just because of the support needed to make it into production. So generally that can provide enough incentive for fans of LEGO to be willing to buy this set after it retires. And as LEGO investors, that can be a good way to make a little bit extra money. This set in particular has got quite a few detailed minifigures and interesting pieces in it. That can be a benefit of these LEGO Ideas sets, is they are generally pretty unique and have some great elements to them. Some of them, of course, more than others and less than others, but in general, these LEGO Ideas sets tend to do pretty well. They're just like any theme. Some of the LEGO Ideas sets tend to do well, some do better than others, but in general, that has been the case. And then after you get enough, it just says here on the back of the set, after you get enough support for the set, then LEGO will review it. And in this case, there's the step-by-step guide. And in this case, LEGO okayed the project, and it became a LEGO set that was now in production. Well, it's not in production anymore. This set has retired, and since then it's gone up in value. I have two of them in my collection. I thought that the set would do pretty well. There's a lot of Friends fans, the TV show, not the LEGO theme, that I thought would be willing to pay premium for the set when it retired, and so far that seems to have been the case. I believe I had some other LEGO Ideas sets in my collection, but we'll just start with this one. And in general, yeah, these LEGO Ideas sets can be a pretty great way to diversify your collection. It's still important to keep an eye out for the ones you think will do better than others, just by how much of a loyal following they have. Some of them have done better than others, but in general, it can be a great way to add some diversity to your LEGO investing collection. I don't recommend getting too many of these until you built up a reasonable amount of LEGO Star Wars sets and maybe Harry Potter, just because the Friends ones can be, or not the Friends, the Ideas sets can be a little bit more risky. So it's important to take that into consideration when you're determining what LEGO set you want to buy and how long you're willing to wait. I do think it could be a great way to add a couple more interesting builds to your LEGO investing collection. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.